Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm going to share with you all a recipe of Chana Pulao or chickpea rice, a recipe which is Daigh-Style or a kind that you'll find commercially or at special events. This is a recipe that I've gotten from someone who makes it at a commercial level, so I hope you will enjoy it. So let's look at the ingredients together. We'd be needing some sliced onions that you'll be seeing in the next clip, some chopped tomatoes, some chopped garlic and green chilies. For the seasoning and spices, we'll be needing some salt, some crushed chili flakes, some garlic powder, some Garam Masala Powder, some cumin seeds, some whole Garam Masala, some Biryani Masala. You can get any brand of Biryani Masala and use it, and a few seeds of dried tamarind. We'll also be needing some mixed pickle, preferably use lemon or mango and carrot pickle, and we'll be using that. To start off, we'll be heating some cooking oil in a large pot. We'll heat it and we'll start frying our onions. We'll fry our onions till they're golden brown, and after that we're going to add all of our ingredients. There are a few things that I'd like to mention here. You can also use some chicken cubes if you want to add some extra flavor to your pulao. We'll be soaking our chickpeas, dried chickpeas overnight, and then we'll be boiling them. We won't be discarding the water, we'll be reserving that water, and then we'll be later using it to cook our rice. So, and one thing more, when we are going to use the pickle, we are going to wash it, and after that we're going to add it. The stage when we are going to add it will be when we are adding our rice. You can also add some chopped coriander and mint leaves along with the other ingredients that we'll be adding in a bit. It's going to give some extra flavor to it. I always add it, but unfortunately that day I didn't have it on hand. When you add that, I'm certain that it gives some extra flavor to it. And this is a kind which is very easily made at home, but I'm telling you honestly that this is a recipe that they use when they are making it on commercial level or in daigs or big pots when the food is served at any event or festival or even at weddings. So after I'm going to add all of the ingredients together, we'll be adding a bit of water as well so that the spices don't burn. We are going to let this cook for a bit covered till all the masala is mixed and the tomatoes are pureed. It's better to use chopped tomatoes so that they're easily and quickly cooked. We'll be soaking some good quality basmati rice as well. For commercial level, they use Sela rice, but I feel that it doesn't have as good of a flavor as you would find in basmati rice because basmati rice is more fragrant. So using high quality long grain basmati rice is highly suggested. And one thing more, if you don't have time and you've forgotten to soak your chickpeas overnight, one great tip that you can soak your chickpeas and let them boil. Yes, let them boil straight away and then turn the heat off and cover them. That way the process of soaking will be faster and they can be soaked easily within an hour or so. So this is a great tip that you can use. Okay, so after our masala was done, we are going to put our chickpeas in the masala. If you think that you'd be needing more water to roast or fry the masala, you can add more. So I'm going to add the boiled chickpeas to our prepared masala and we'll just cook them. And once they're cooked for a few seconds in the masala, we're going to add the water which is reserved from boiling the chickpeas, and we'll add that water so that the rice is cooked in that water. So I'm repeating water and water again, but this is how it is. So after that's done, we are going to let it boil, and we'll then add our soaked rice in it along with the achar or the mixed pickle that we have washed already. I'm sorry I lost that clip, but to give you the idea that how the rice is cooked in the broth, I'm going to link a recipe of one of the pulaus that I've shared already. Either my Matar Pulao or the chicken Pilau. If you want, you can have a look at it if you don't have an idea that how at what point we're going to add the rice. So the rice cooked on simmer for some time, like 15 or 20 minutes, and after it was done, I fluffed it so that the steam is released and our rice don't go mushy. And that's the final look, guys. That's how I served it. You can have it with some raita or chutney, and can serve some cutlets or shami kebab alongside of it. Cutlet recipe is coming soon, and shami kebab I've shared already, so you can have a look at it. And that's all for now, guys. I hope you guys liked this recipe and got the hang of it, that how very easily you can make it at home. I hope you are going to give it a try and will definitely be leaving feedback. As always, all of the ingredients and their measurements along with all of my social media handles are mentioned in the description box below. Please keep liking, keep sharing and commenting, and do subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. I shall be back with more really soon. Take good care of yourself and of your loved ones, and don't forget the less privileged ones. Bye for now. Allah Hafiz.